I've been feeling a little anxious lately. With all the changes that are happening in the world, what's going to happen to the career I've built over the past 20 years? How about the business I started 8 years ago that helps support my family? Will all of this suddenly become obsolete? These thoughts are what experts are calling AI anxiety, something that's becoming more and more common today. Upon reflecting on it for a while, I've came to 3 conclusions that might help you feel a little bit more motivated about AI and what it means to your career. The first conclusion is the world is still the same. This is the world before ChatGPT, and this is the world after ChatGPT. Technology is evolving rapidly, but the world is pretty much the same. People still need to eat, learn, exercise, get medical care, travel, love, be loved, make friends, have a family. We're not machines and never will be. So while technology might be evolving rapidly, the way we live and experience the world changes slowly and organically. Take this as an example. Oasis split up in 2009. That's before Instagram, TikTok, and even Bitcoin existed. Now in 2024, in the age of AI, the band announced a reunion and the tickets sold out in less than 24 hours. The point is, we're still the same people with the same desires. There's a huge ocean of needs waiting to be met. So there will be always space for you if you want to be productive. What can make you obsolete are the same things that could have done it before. Not educating yourself, not improving your communication skills, not learning enough English, not being disciplined, or neglecting your health. It's not AI, blockchain, the internet, or the printing press. We're so distracted by AI that we forget that the real threat are these bad habits. Work on them, and your chances of succeeding in any scenario will still be extremely high. But let's be real, things are changing, and it's normal to fear the unknown. So that leads to my second conclusion. We're all in the same boat. We are all experiencing these changes together. What this means is, even if AI does change everything, as long as you stay tuned to what's going on, and like I just mentioned, educate yourself with discipline, you're in a good position. There's no reason to feel the fear of missing out if you're watching this video in 2024 and you have decided to be prepared. You might feel a bit lost now, but guess what? So is everyone else. Or do you think the people that call themselves AI experts on LinkedIn know exactly what's coming next? No one does. So just relax, live one day at a time. And finally, my third conclusion. We should be prioritizing AI wisely. Lately, I've been seeing some friends and coworkers doing less of what they always loved and done beautifully just to become prompt engineering experts. I'm not here to judge if that's the right move for them or not. But I'm here to remind you, don't lose sight of the things that bring you true fulfillment. Don't kill your dreams just because you fear you're gonna miss out on the first wave of AI jobs. Instead, ask yourself, what opportunities can AI bring to the market I'm in? How can it benefit my community? Shift from how can I adapt as quickly as possible to how can I be one of the drivers of this change? Someone has to be, and by now you probably realized you're a good candidate. So take a breath, slow down a bit, and make thoughtful, not rush decisions about your career. And most importantly, don't be afraid. AI is probably not going to take your job overnight and make you obsolete. But the anxiety about it can make you lose focus and motivation. And that's what can really slow down your career. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please let me know in the comments section below if you've ever experienced AI anxiety and what you've done about it. I'll see you next time.